Want to clear your YouTube search history completely? Here's the fastest way to do it in seconds. First, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down and tap Manage All History, then choose your Google account. Now tap the Delete option and select Delete All Time. Confirm it. And that's it. Your entire search and watch history is gone. Now, refresh the app once, just to make sure the changes are fully applied. Super easy, right? If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.